Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about what most people get wrong about cars. Let's get into the video. Cars are one of the most significant financial decisions many people make, second only to buying a home. They are essentially for commuting, running errands, and maintaining modern lifestyles. But despite their importance, a surprising number of people misunderstand the true cost, usage, and long-term impact of owning a car. From financial misconceptions to unrealistic expectations, I'm going to talk about the biggest things most people get wrong about cars and what you should know to avoid costly mistakes. The first thing is a car is not an investment. One of the most common misconceptions is that buying a car is an investment. It's not. Cars depreciate in value the moment you drive them off the lot. In fact, a new car can lose 20 to 30% of its value in the first year alone. Unlike real estate or stocks, which can appreciate and generate income, a car consistently loses value over time while also requiring regular expenses such as insurance, gas, maintenance, and repairs. People often justify a high car payment by saying, at least it is mine. But that does not make it a good financial decision. Owning a depreciating asset outright does not build wealth. It reduces your net worth if it's draining your cash flow. The second thing is monthly payments are a trap. Car dealerships and finance companies market car based on monthly payments. These tactics makes expensive car seems affordable, but it can be financially misleading. A car advertised at 500 a month may sound reasonable until you consider the total cost over time, including interest payments, down payment, taxes and fees, depreciation. Stretching a car loan over 6, 7, or 8 years is becoming increasingly common, but it's risky. You may end up paying for more than the car is worth and still owe money long after the car has lost most of its value. This is called being underwater on your loan. The third thing is new isn't always better. Many people believe that buying a new car is the safe, more reliable option. While new cars have warranties and updates features, they also come with steep depreciation and higher insurance premiums. Buying a lightly used car, often 2 to 3 years old, can save you thousands. You avoid the initial depreciation hit while still getting a relatively new vehicle with modern features. Certified pre-owned programs also offer extended warranties and inspections for added peace of mind. In most cases, buying used and maintaining the car well is a smarter financial move. The fourth thing is luxury does not mean longevity. Another misconception is that luxury vehicles are built to last longer. While they may offer a smoother ride or more features, Luxury cars often come with higher maintenance and repair costs. Parts and labor for brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi can be significantly more expensive than for mainstream brands. In many cases, a well-maintained Toyota or Honda will last longer and cost less to keep on the road than a premium vehicle. Do not confuse brand prestige with long-term value. The fifth thing is car ownership is more expensive than you think. The sticker price is only part of the story. True car ownership costs include gas, high variable depending on fuel efficiency and driving habits. Insurance premiums can vary widely based on the car model and your driving history. Maintenance, oil changes, tire replacements, brakes, pads, and unexpected repairs. Registration and taxes, depreciation, the biggest hidden costs often overlooked by buyers. According to AAA, the average cost of owning a new car in the US in 2024 is over 12,000 per year when all factors are included. That's 1,000 per month, far more than most people realize. The next thing is the bigger isn't always safer or smarter. Many buyers choose large SUV or trucks thinking they are safer or more versatile. While size can provide a sense of security, it does not always translate to better real-world safety. Modern sedans and compact cars often come with advanced safety features and crash prevention technology and high safety ratings. Additionally, larger vehicles are harder to maneuver, require more parking space, and consume significantly more fuel. If you do not need the cargo or towing capacity, a smaller, fuel efficient vehicle can save you money and stress while still keeping you safe. The seventh thing is leasing. It's not always a smart deal. Leasing can be tempting. Lower monthly payments, a new car every few years, and a fewer maintenance worries. But lease come with limitations. Mileage limits often 10 to 15,000 miles per year. Wear and tear charges. No ownership or equity at the end of the term. If you lease consistently, you are always making payments without building any value. Over a decade, leasing can be significantly more expensive than buying and holding a car. That said, leasing might make sense for business owners who can write off the lease or those who truly need a short-term vehicle. For most individuals, though, buying a well-priced car and keeping it long-term is the more financial sound options. The eighth thing is cars do not define your success. There is a strong cultural pressure, especially in Western society, to view a car as a status symbol. The kind of car you drive can be seen as a reflection of your success. But this mindset often leads people to buy vehicles that stretch or break their budgets. True financial freedom is about living below your means and not impressing others. A $40,000 car does not make you wealthy, it makes you $40,000 poor. Many financial independence people drive older, modest vehicles because they understand the true cost of ownership. The ninth thing is upgrades and mods rarely add value. Aftermarket wheels, stereo system, performance chips, or cosmetic modes may personalize your ride, but they usually do not increase resale value. In fact, they can lower it. Most buyers prefer stock vehicles in good condition. Extended modifications can scare off potential buyers, void warranties, or create long-term maintenance issues. If you are modifying your car, do it for your own enjoyment, not as an investment. The 10th thing is preventive maintenance is cheaper than repairs. Many car owners delay regular maintenance to save money, not realizing this often leads to more expensive repairs later. Skipping oil changes, ignoring warning lights, or putting off tire rotations can reduce your car's lifespan and safety. Following the manufacturer's recommendation, maintenance schedule can help you avoid cost breakdowns and increase your car's resale value. It's much cheaper to maintain a car than to replace one unexpectedly. My final thoughts on this is cars are essentially part of life for most people, but they can also become a financial burden if misunderstood. From overpaying on monthly payments to chasing luxury status, many people fall into common traps that drain wealth and increase stress. The truth is, a car should serve your life, not define it. When you understand the real cost, let's go out outdated beliefs and choose your vehicle with intention. You can enjoy the freedom of driving without the financial headaches. Before buying your next car, ask yourself, can I afford this car without sacrificing savings or investments? Am I buying for functionality or to impress others? How much will this car really cost me over 5 years? Is there a better option that still meets my needs? Getting honest about these questions can help you make smarter choices and keep more money in your pocket over time. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.